Have you ever wondered if there's some supplements you can take when you're encountering air travel that can help your immunity, your resilience, so you feel great on both sides of your trip? Well, the answer to that question is yes, there are. And that's what we're going to talk about on this episode of Lean, Healthy, Ageless. Hi, Danna Demetre here, co author of the Eat, Live, Thrive Diet. And I've got a guest that you've seen before, Patti Milligan, registered dietitian, PhD in nutrition. Patti, you've asked this question in part of your PhD studies 3 years ago. You started the research and actually did your whole dissertation on this subject. What is the answer to that question? What are those supplements? And then you're going to tell us why you created Jet Renewal Kit, because actually it is the solution.
Absolutely. And that was the pinch point. I had so many clients traveling just saying, is there anything that happens when I'm in flight that I need to equip my body differently than when I'm on the ground? And the answer is yes. One is we definitely want to calm the nervous system. We do that actually by maintaining good saliva, if you can believe. We also want to have an arsenal that teaches our immune system and digestive tract, hey, you're going to be exposed to some different things, but keep moving along. And then lastly, we want to help the cells take out the trash. And so we really combine those three nutrients in an easy pack that you take when you fly.
And when we're flying, I mean, we are exposed to, I don't think we think about radiation. We're even talking about some of the flame retardants and so forth in the plane. So there's things we don't even think about we're getting exposed to. And, hand sanitizer is not enough.
Yes, exactly right. I mean, those are all good external, but what we realized is there are things we can do internal physiologically to support the hormone cascade, our nervous system, and our immune system.
So in this kit, just tell us a little bit about what the protocol is and how many trips are within this Jet Renewal Kit.
You're right. So we call this a pouch, and a pouch contains 10 strips. So each strip is for a non-stop flight. So you can notice that you're going to take something before you get on the plane, something mid-flight, and something when you land. And this was designed, again, to support the nervous system, immune system, and lastly, how you take out the trash from your cells.
And so if you are doing a one-stop flight, actually 2 legs, you're actually going to take a strip for each leg.
Right. So if you're coming, let's say, from the West Coast to the East Coast, and you're going to stop through Chicago, you would take one from the West Coast flight to Chicago and take another 3-step process from Chicago onto New York.
So Patti is very generously giving us a discount code. Tell us how we can actually purchase the Jet Renewal Kit and how we get our special savings and how much it is.
You bet. So our website is jetrenewalkit.com. And we thought, because we're all family and we want to support family in this time for air travel, that you can put the promo code FAMILY in and you get 20% off, and we pay the shipping.
We're just excited to bring you this additional resource so that when you do travel, you can travel with more assurance and security.